Yeah. Getting sawdust for the chickens. Gonna be chicken coop. You need sawdust. Sawdust is available here. And the people throw it away, so I told them they will keep it for me. I come for it because this is valuable. Boy, they throw it away, they burn it. Okay. How about we go up? I think how will go up. Try. How about we go up? Where you will live there, we up. It can't even go under there too, yeah. The top is the best. There you go. Oh, strong man. What? Well, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the contraction here. Wow. Talking about ingenious. Look at this contraption. Take the drum, hook it up to the thing. Hook this. What? Wow. Ants medicine? Yeah, we got the ants. You got the medicine yesterday? Or we didn't get it yet? Where we supposed to get it from? But you don't remind me how, or when I know, y'all got to remind me what we need though. Yeah. Okay, when we go to the market, we'll look for it, yeah? Me and Anthony will go to the market. But you want to put the chicken, you want to put it on the chicken teeth for chicken be eating that chemical? Eh? Because we'll be cleaning it up out of there, putting in the garden, so you want to put that medicine in the chicken? No, we'll put it around. Okay. Okay, alright. Not inside, no. Oh yeah, around here, yeah. Okay. Hey, he's smiling. I tell you, the one that you're gonna throw in, you're throwing it away, or you're not gonna get kobo from the trash. So you see a good that you're keeping for me. So every time I carry a kobo, that kobo, man. Yes, yeah, I know. I see your face. I see the woman face. I know. Yeah, definitely. That chicken, it'll be a little big. Yeah, why inside? We can walk inside. Yeah. You pay money from here. I know the kobo will whistle, right? But you get still here. How you know that? You don't even know what I was still. You don't even know what I was still on. I still on. Yeah.